Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Welcome back to my channel and to another tutorial video. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to do this hairstyle. It's a holiday hairstyle I only just came up with because I was looking for something that was easy to do, that would spread out my hair evenly over my head, or well, the top of my head, so that it wouldn't start pulling. And also, one thing that happens to me a lot when I do hairstyles for the holidays is that I do this fancy updo and then I get a massive headache, and then the rest of the night I'm like, oh, my hair is killing me, my head is killing me. So this year I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna figure something out myself that looks good, that feels good, that's quick and easy to do, and that's not gonna give me a headache. So this is what I came up with, and I thought I would share it with you guys because I'm sure a lot of you have the same issues. So this is super easy, super quick, anyone can do it. The only thing is, you need to have pretty long hair for this hairstyle. That's like the only thing. So I would say, it's hard to say, but I think you would need to have at least waist or hip length hair. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But other than that, anyone can do it.
First, brush your hair and make a very high ponytail. Divide your ponytail into 2 equal strands and clip one strand out of the way. Grab the loose strand, place 3 fingers underneath and take the strand underneath your fingers. Then twist the strand 360 degrees and pull the bottom of the strand through the loop you just created. Keep the little bun you created in place with a bobby pin. Now you want to repeat those steps and create another little bun right below the first bun. Repeat again, and this time position the little bun next to your previous one. Keep repeating these steps until you run out of hair. In the end, you can do a regular knot if your hair gets thin and tuck the ends underneath. Now you can add a few more bobby pins if needed to secure everything. Now unclip the other section of hair and do the exact same thing on that side. Once that's done, you can reposition a few loops if needed until you like the end result. I also like to pin the areas together in the bottom and in the front to make it a whole. bangs if you have them, and add some hair accessories to finish the look.
I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Let me know in the comments below what you're gonna do for your holiday hairstyle, if you already know what you're gonna do, because we're not even December 1st yet, but as you can see, I'm already in the Christmas mood, although I still have to put up my decorations, but I think I'm gonna start doing that tomorrow on December 1st.
If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with my next video. Bye!